friends, welcome back in channel Tech Guru. Finally friends, I'm back with another speed test and RAM management test comparison between Realme X1 Max versus Poco X3 Pro device. Let's see which phone has got what type of speed test and what is the RAM management between these both phones. That's what I'm going to exactly explore in this video. And these are the 5 applications and 5 games which I did include during this process of demonstration, which you can actually see clearly. And I did include the big games as well, Battlegrounds, mobile game and Call of Duty. So first let's start with the basic reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster. And this is a comparison between the Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 860 chipset. And during this process, I won't use any high performance mode. There is no game space and game turbo. Nothing is enabled. So just only applications and games, that's it. There's no boosting techniques enabled. So let's see which phone will be having what kind of speed test results. And right now, very soon, I think in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sales, the Realme X1 Max and the Poco X3 Pro, both phones will be going on sale, maybe for huge discounts. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So it will be a really good comparison between both phones just to check which phone has got what type of capabilities in them in terms of the speed test and the multitasking. So first let me try to open the settings and show you what kind of Wi-Fi connectivity I have connected, because that's another most important thing you should know as well. So both phones are connected to the 2.4 GHz network. As you can see, that's perfectly done. And in the Realme X1 Max, I need to clear one more thing, which is called the process manager. So I need to clear everything from the process manager. So all the apps are completely clean from the process manager, everything, as you can clearly see. And extended RAM capabilities also I did turn on. So 8 plus 5 GB. And in the Poco X3 Pro, the external RAM capabilities, I think right now it's not available. So only 8 GB of RAM is available. Out of 8 GB, 5.3 GB is available. You can clearly see the difference between both phones. Now let's start the RAM management. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends. Let's see which phone will be the clear winner in terms of the opening speeds. So first let's check the opening speeds, then we'll try to check the RAM management. So let's start with the first game, which is a first application, Google Chrome. So both phones did kind of really good job in terms of opening speed, nothing much major difference. And I'm trying to load some data in them. So both phones are loading quite similar, nothing much major difference. And the Flipkart also quite same, nothing huge difference at this point. Touch sampling rate, I'm trying to keep some lines in the background. So let's see which phone can actually store the touch sampling rate application as well. Play Store also both kind of equal, not much difference. Let me slightly decrease the brightness so you can actually see properly. Yes, now you can actually see it properly. And now let me to go back and open the Subway Surf. Let's see the games. So this is going to be very interesting in terms of the games. And the first phone to open the Subway Surf game is Poco X3 Pro, Snapdragon 860 chipset. First game to open. And next game is a Standoff 2. Let's see this game. Standoff 2. As I said, so I'm not using any high performance mode. So if you use high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max, the results will be slightly different. Yes, it can actually open faster if you try to use high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max device. That did happen. That is the reason, that's why I thought of mentioning to you. So both phones did keep no problem. Let's see the Battlegrounds mobile game. Try to observe the loading speed, how it's loading and animations. So Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 860 chipset. And first phone to show the logo is the Snapdragon 860 from the Poco X3 Pro, and still the Realme X1 Max is taking some time. You can see how much time it took. And first phone to boot up is the Poco X3 Pro device, not bad. You can see, friends, the speed, how quick the Poco X3 Pro is. And next is a Call of Duty 1, 2, 3. Let's see the Call of Duty game. So till now the Poco X3 Pro was in the race in terms of the opening more games faster than the Realme X1 Max. Let's see the confirm page, which can actually show us first. First Poco X3 Pro device did show the confirm page, and next Realme X1 Max. So the loading speeds are slightly faster in the Poco X3 Pro at this moment. You can clearly see the difference what is happening at this point. And next time I'll try to use the high performance mode, and then I'll try to do the test, then we'll get the different results. That's the reason I did mention in the beginning itself, I'm not using any high performance mode. So as a normal user, if you try to use both phones, how much difference it can actually make. So Poco X3 Pro was able to open, wow. So open faster, not bad. And then the Realme X1 Max did open, and both As you can see friends, the Poco X3 Pro was able to open all the games and most of the games faster in this device, except standoff 2 game. Other games are completely open faster in the Poco X3 Pro smartphone. Now it's time to check one more thing, which is the RAM management. In the speed test, we do know the Poco X3 Pro has won, but let's check in the RAM management. One more thing, the high performance mode I'm not using friends, so that's the reason. If I use high performance mode, the speeds will be slightly faster. I'll definitely do another video in case if you want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do the similar kind of video as well using high performance mode. So you can see all the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open in the background RAM management. Let's start with from the last game. Let's see how many games both phones can keep this kind of games in the background and applications also or not. So both are connecting not bad. So till the standoff 2 game, both phones did kind of similar kind of job. And next is Subway Surf. So Realme X and Max did keep the Subway Surf game in the background, and the Poco X3 Pro did not keep that. As you can clearly see what is happening. Enters the RAM management. That is the reason I thought of showing you from the background. So in the multitasking, you should know what are available. I think I did close the Subway Surf game by mistakenly. So let me open. So it was just now. So yes. So you should know how many games and applications are in the background RAM management. That's the reason friends. And now let's check the Play Store. Let's check applications, whether it can actually store applications or not. No problem. Both phones did keep the exact same page without reloading. Next is a touch sampling rate application. I don't think both phones can keep this in the background, but let's see. 1, 2, 3. No, none of them did keep. Not that. So next is the Flipkart. In the Flipkart, I did keep the Big Billion Day sale page. I think this page exactly 1, 2, 3. Both phones did keep the same page. Not an issue. In the RAM management test, the Realme X and Max has got 1 point, which the phone actually kept the Subway Surf in the background RAM management. That's 1 point. Next is Amazon. No, both phones went to the home page. Nothing has been restored, nothing. So next, Google Chrome also, it won't be much. So in the RAM management, the Realme X and Max has got slight advantage, but I need to do the random RAM management. I mean, again, I need to check the few games. Let's see which phone can actually store more games in the background. So both are able. Yes, both did store the Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's take the Call of Duty and the FIFA game. Call of Duty game got closed in the Poco X3 Pro, and it is open in the Realme X and Max. You can see the RAM management slightly got better in this Realme X and Max device at this point. Both phones did not keep the FIFA game. That's kind of equal points for both devices. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. Is a video and quick RAM management and the speed test comparison between these both phones, Realme X and Max and the Poco X3 Pro device. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and meanwhile don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos which I'll be comparing between these both phones. In case if you are confused, my videos will be really helpful for you to decide which phone is suitable for your needs. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off.